What's up, guys? Mike with Digital Solutions here, and today we're going to evolve from the days of staring at a spreadsheet and feeling overwhelmed by endless rows of data and complicated formulas. I'd like to introduce you to Bricks, a free AI-powered spreadsheet application that transforms how we work with data. Instead of spending hours cleaning up messy data sets or trying to remember complex formula syntax, Bricks handles these tedious tasks automatically. Think of it as having a skilled data analyst working alongside you, suggesting improvements in automated repetitive work. What makes Bricks special is how it understands what you're trying to accomplish. Want to analyze sales trends? Bricks can identify patterns and create visualizations without you having to manually process the data. Need to standardize inconsistent entries? The AI can detect and correct these issues automatically. The best part? You don't need to be a spreadsheet expert to use Bricks effectively. The AI assistant guides you through your analysis, helping you discover insights that might otherwise remain hidden in your data. And since it's completely free, you can start exploring these powerful features right away. But first, if you could hit that like button, leave a comment about your worst spreadsheet hell, and smash the subscribe button so you can see how Bricks can streamline your data workflow. Let's explore its capabilities together and dive right in. Alright guys, first things first. You want to teleport yourself over to the Bricks website? Don't worry, no fancy spells required. Just click on the link in the top right corner or the one I've conveniently stashed in the description below. Once you're there, it's time to sign up for this game changer. If you're a Bricks newbie, hit that sign up button, or if you're a returning champion, just sign in. And remember, it won't cost you a dime to get started on your journey to spreadsheet mastery. Now that you're in, prepare to be greeted by the sleek, intuitive Bricks interface, your gateway to this next generation AI spreadsheet wizardry. Cast your eyes to the left and you'll spot the grid section. This is where the magic happens. The Bricks equivalent of a spreadsheet or workbook. Give it a click and bam, you're staring at a brand new spreadsheet, a pristine landscape of cells just waiting to be populated with your data. At first glance, it might look like your everyday run-of-the-mill spreadsheet, and it can definitely handle all those basic spreadsheet tasks, just like its pals Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Go ahead, punch in some numbers, maybe even try out a sum function, and watch it work like a charm. But we're not here for the ordinary, are we? We're here for the extraordinary AI capabilities. So let's clear those cells and get ready to unleash the beast. Now I'm going to magically import some juicy sales data for us to play with. But if you want to follow along step by step, you can grab the CSV file from the link I've stashed in the description below. With a swift click into cell A1, we'll paste this data, revealing the sales secrets of the legendary Kevin Cookie Company. To get a better look at this treasure trove of information, let's click that top corner and expand those columns. Much better, wouldn't you say? Notice how Bricks is so smart it automatically transforms your data into a table, making it a piece of cake for the AI to analyze and generate those aha moments. Before we dive deeper, let's give this table a name that actually means something. Table 01 just doesn't have that ring to it. So let's click on that, rename it to Sales Data, and give ourselves a pat on the back for being so organized. Now let's be honest. Who here actually enjoys the tedious task of data cleaning? It's like the digital equivalent of doing dishes, right? Our data set has a date column that looks pretty spiffy, but then we have column B, where the product and location are all jumbled together in an unholy alliance, separated by a lonely comma, and over in column C, we have the units sold. Clearly, the Kevin Cookie Company could use a data entry superhero, because this mess needs some serious cleaning before we can even think about analyzing it. In the dark ages, we would have to resort to complex formulas or functions to untangle this mess. But those days are over, friends, because we have AI on our side. Down at the bottom, there's this magical text field that whispers sweet nothings like we have asked the AI to do anything, including UI actions. Well, AI, challenge accepted. Let's type in, add a new column with the product, and boom, like magic, a shiny new column appears, filled with all the product names neatly extracted. So are we feeling adventurous? Let's try another one. Add a new column with the location, and poof, the locations magically populate their own column. With this data now beautifully separated, that confused column C is about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. So let's right-click it and send it to the digital abyss. Man, we're on a roll. So let's keep this AI train moving. Management, in their infinite wisdom, always wants to know the state for each city, even though the data collection team seems to have a mysterious allergy to including it. But fear not, because we have a secret weapon, our AI buddy. Let's type in, add a column with the state that the city is in. And just like that, a new column materializes, revealing the state for each location. Seriously, how easy was that? Should we let management in on our little secret? Or should we just use this newfound time for extra long lunch breaks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious. Now, to really make this analysis sing, we need to bring in the unit cost for each of these delectable cookies. I'll just paste in another table that contains the products and their corresponding unit cost. And our mission is to link this vital information to our main sales data table. In the past, this would have involved the dreaded VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. But we're living in the future, people. So let's put our AI companion to the test once more. We'll instruct it to add a new column in sales data with the unit cost from table 1. It's like watching a digital detective at work, identifying and connecting the right data from both tables, effortlessly populating our sales data with the correct unit cost. And it even shows its work, explaining how it made these connections. Just in case you were curious. Feeling like we're on the verge of spreadsheet nirvana? Let's keep pushing the boundaries. How about we ask for a total revenue column? Done. It's there. Calculated with lightning speed by multiplying units by unit cost. Well, let's not stop there. We're data hungry. Let's see a table showing the best-selling products, revealing that the classic chocolate chip still reigns supreme, while poor Snickerdoodle brings up the rear. Curious about revenue patterns? Ask and you shall receive. The AI conjures up a pivot table, showcasing revenue by product and location. A veritable feast of data for the analytical mind. And for the grand finale, let's get predictive. We'll ask for a forecast of next month's revenue. And like a digital oracle, the AI applies a linear regression model, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the potential future of cookie sales. Well, now that we've explored, analyzed, and uncovered hidden insights, it's time to present our findings to the powers that be. But forget about spending hours crafting a boring old report. We're going to ask the AI to create a full-blown dashboard, complete with tables and charts that will make management's jaws drop. With a single prompt like, can you make a dashboard showing the insights on this data using tables and charts? Bam! We're transported to a brand new dashboard view, a visual symphony of data, summarizing our findings in a way that's both beautiful and informative. We've got best-selling products by units sold, revenue distribution by product, total revenue by product, our forecasted revenue for December of 2024, and all those insightful tables we generated earlier, all neatly packaged and ready to impress. And the best part? This dashboard is not some static, unchangeable thing. It's a living, breathing entity that can be edited and customized to your heart's content. Each element is linked to the original data, allowing for dynamic updates. And you can even tweak the visuals themselves, adjusting every piece and component until it's just right. Feeling like the dashboard text needs a little AI magic? No problem. Just click on the text, open up the AI, and ask it to transform those bullet points into polished paragraph. Voila! It's done. And our dashboard is ready for prime time. You can present it in a slick presentation mode, share it with your team via email or link, or even publish it to the internet for the whole world to see. This, my friends, is not just a spreadsheet tool. It's a revolution, a game changer for anyone who works with data. We didn't have to write a single formula, and in just minutes, we went from raw data to a stunning, insightful dashboard, all thanks to the power of natural language prompts and our AI sidekick. So, I have to ask, are you as blown away by this as I am? Do you think bricks will save you a ton of time and make your spreadsheet life infinitely better? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos that will make your data a wizard, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue to explore the exciting world of AI power tools. Catch you on the flip side.